Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Call of Duty Vanguard on PS5. Start by installing the game and applying updates, then sign into PSN and set your privacy options. Next, choose Performance or Fidelity mode in graphics settings and calibrate your TV HDR and resolution. Plug in a headset for clear team chat, enable aim assist if you prefer, and set controller sensitivity to a comfortable level before jumping into multiplayer. Pick a control scheme that feels natural and then tweak sensitivity for aiming and turning. Create a few loadouts, one for run and gun, one for mid-range, and one for long sightlines with a scope. Balance perks for stealth, speed, or extra ammo depending on your role. Practice switching loadouts between rounds and use the weapon bench when maps allow to adapt to enemy strategies and objectives. Warm up in a bot match or practice mode to learn recoil and movement before jumping online. Communicate with teammates using quick chat or voice to call out enemy locations and plan pushes. Focus on map control and rotating toward objectives rather than chasing kills for a higher chance to win. Learn one or two favored routes on each map and vary your loadouts to counter common enemy setups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.